Rage on that beat, going crazy.
Hey guys, how are you doing? In my last video I was customizing sneakers and I called it ugly to awesome. Well, today I thought I'm gonna make a t-shirt out of scraps because I have a few t-shirts and a few materials laying around that are not in use no more, so I'm just gonna combine it in a very creative way, so it's gonna be useful, really awesome, beautiful t-shirt. Let's get started. I have two t-shirts. One is large and it has this a little bit ugly print on the back. It's not very pretty. And I have another t-shirt which is size medium. It's just a plain black shirt. What I thought I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut out the rectangle from the large t-shirt and have a rectangle cut out, but obviously I cannot leave it like that. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put the medium t-shirt inside the large t-shirt. So when I cut out the rectangle out of the large t-shirt, the medium t-shirt is gonna cover the hole. So basically it's gonna be t-shirt inside the t-shirt. It's gonna give it a really 3D look. Also, I have some scraps of white vinyl for the fabric. I'm gonna cut those scraps into even smaller pieces. I'm gonna rearrange them inside this rectangle that I will create from cut out on the t-shirt, and I'm gonna iron it on, and it's gonna give it like this abstract art look, something like that. So yeah, I'm just gonna have as much fun as possible doing it, and I hope you're gonna enjoy it too. Let's get started. Okay guys, so here's the finished product. Boom, boom. And yeah, overall it came out exactly like I wanted it to. Now I'm gonna show you the on body shots, and that's it for today guys. I'll see you next one.